Every vegan's nightmare, pork crackles. Let's go. Too many vegan products lately. We're going the opposite direction now.
Trying to even it out, are you?
That's it. We've got J. Crackleton.
J. Crackleton.
I wonder what he's a specialist in. Cracking people up.
Hand-cooked pork crackle. Original, light and crunchy, made in Australia. Gluten-free, still along those lines, you know.
Yeah, this is a health product. Fatty pork skin is a health product, apparently.
It's oink-credible. An epic explosion of deliciousness in your mouth.
Ooh.
We like explosions.
Yes, please.
Jay Crackleton believes that great taste takes time, and his passion for quality means hours are spent slowly hand-cooking these crunchy snacks that keep you coming back for more. Jay Crackleton supports children in underdeveloped countries by helping them receive basic needs and education.
Mr. Crackleton's a very cheap boy as well. $1.80.
Really?
Yeah, from Woolworths.
That's crazy. I would have thought you would have said $3 or $4.
Pork crackles like the cheapest thing ever in the supermarket. If you buy them in the airport from the vending machine, Linda, then they cost like $5 for a tiny little packet.
One time. I don't think it was $5.
Something like that, you said. I wasn't there, I wouldn't know.
Made from 100% Australian pork rind.
The ingredients of Mr. Crackleton's recipe is really simple. It's just like pork rind, salt, oil, and MSG.
Yep, pretty much.
Whereas
probably why it tastes really good.
These, well, you don't know that yet. These other pork crackles have got like heaps of other stuff in them instead.
Every piece has had the fat removed as far as possible.
Healthy.
Every piece of pork crackle is unique. Please be aware that occasionally some pieces may be harder to chew. There's a lot of warnings on here.
Does it say not for vegans?
No, but it makes you feel like, you know, you're going to choke on it. It's dangerous.
I think we're doing this just in case people thought we were a vegan channel, because we've been doing a lot of that recently.
Gold medal snacks. Chilli pork crackles.
Or as I like to say, gold medal cracks.
Real crunchy crackling. I've never had a chili flavoured one.
Boring. What
How
sort
much
of
is
life?
This one?
$2.50.
So it should be, what, almost 2 times better than this one?
It's 20% larger packet, and it's got chili on it.
So it's better.
And it's got more ingredients.
Oh, it says only with a hint of chili though.
A hint is enough. Better than nothing.
The perfect alternative snack for those on a high protein, low carb diet.
Yeah, that's me.
Oh, a lot of things are in this one. So many things.
Yeah, it's like these are a mixture of those tapioca veggie chips and pork crackles. But these ones are more like just your pork skin. Now, the two cultures that really like this sort of thing, I think, are Filipinos and South Americans. Filipinos like their lechon, and no, I said the wrong thing. South Americans like the chicharron. So let's see if these are any good.
Also made in Australia from imported and local ingredients. Open this one first, right?
Does that look appealing? It looks like intestines.
Looks alright to me.
You like the look of dirty intestines?
I've never seen intestines that look like that. I don't know what you're eating.
Chinese food? Oh, they are darker.
Maybe a tiny hint of smell. Chili,
No.
maybe. They look a bit more chili. The pieces look heaps bigger on the one with heaps of stuff in it.
Yeah, maybe the tapioca flour puffs it up more.
Wow, okay. That's very punchy.
Got a weird texture to it. Oh, that one's harder.
Some parts of the same piece is harder.
That's what they were saying on the back. They were saying.
Oh, they were just saying some pieces would be different. It's like some parts of the same piece are different.
It's like when we make pork knuckle for dinner, and then parts of it puff up and other parts don't, and then they get all chewy and gross.
How do you feel eating this with fillings? I feel like you would break them.
Fine. Softer than the Alina's biscuits. These are like halfway between popcorn and an Alina's biscuit.
It's nothing like popcorn. Popcorn's not this crunchy.
It's got that puffy popcorn texture. It's got like the texture of popcorn, but the hard crunch of an Alina's biscuit.
I like it though. It's nice.
Alright, chili time. Cheers. Oh, way better. The tapioca flour helps. Way better. And
it's heaps more airy. It's not crunchy at all.
It's crunchy in a tapioca chip way. That's better.
Yeah, it's totally like a veggie chip type thing. Puffy.
That's way better. It's so consistent. You know what you're expecting when you bite into it.
I like the harder one.
Really?
Yeah.
I like the taste of these ones. They got more like...
The taste of these ones, yes, because I like a bit of chili, but I like how the other one's crazy hard, and then you don't know if you're going to break your teeth or not.
Oh, danger. You like the danger. Alright. Well, that's good. No more vegan stuff for us for a while. More pork.
More crackling.
I do actually have a more to do as well.
This one's so much harder.
It's good value for money though. Like you get a meaty snack for $2 or under.
Yes. Well, I might have to buy some more of these.
Do you find it satisfying to eat?
Yeah, I like it.
Like you haven't eaten a lot for a few hours. So eating.
That's good. I feel like the harder one would be more addictive for me. But this one also has the same MSG.
If the harder one had more flavour, if I'd got a chili version of the harder one.
They're both good. I give them both an 8.
Wow. I think the chili ones, gold medal cracks. I mean, so they can have a 8. These J. Crackleton ones, they can have a 7. Not bad.
If they made this in a chili version, I'd give it higher.
Jeez. Might have to go hunt that down. There are other brands. There's so many other brands that do this. Because you think about how much ham and bacon is in the supermarkets in Australia. And then you think about just the skin that gets left behind. So much. And then they sell it for cheap to all these companies to get rid of. And they turn it into this for really cheap. That's why it's super cheap. Because it's actually a waste product. And they're just adding some salt and oil to it and making it better. And
That
breaking
was
your
really
teeth.
hard.
Yeah, I heard.
So
You'll
hard.
see the dentist tomorrow.
Maybe too hard.
Okay. See ya.